Dear professional friends, in our earlier video, we had discussed how to get first set of 20 clients for CA, CS, CMA and lawyers who have just started their practice. Link to the video is given in the I button above if you have not watched it. After releasing this video, it got tremendous response and we got various requests asking us to create a video on the topic how to take your practice from 20 clients to 200 clients. Here basically what they are asking us is how to scale the practice. You need different type of method and skills and thought process to establish and start a new practice, and different methods, skills and mindset to scale an existing practice. Scaling a practice is a problem which most of the professionals struggle with. You may know many senior chartered accountants who are busy totally but don't earn enough. Basically, they have not been able to scale their business. It may be easy to get clients, but once the practice gets bigger and bigger, it is not easy to manage it, and that is why people struggle with scaling the practice. Basically, scaling means managing bigger practice and serving more number of clients without affecting the quality of service. So we are excited to present this video to you, where we will tell you how to transform your practice from 20 to 200 clients. Are you excited to learn the ideas? Friends, before moving ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are interested to update your skills so that you are less stressful and more profitable in your practice. For scaling anything, there has to be a leverage or a multiplying factor. In a CA practice, this leverage or multiplying factor can be either knowledge or people. CA practice is a service which is totally dependent on people and their knowledge levels. So either you can increase the number of people working for you, or you can keep a small team but increase their knowledge levels. So there are two leverages, people and their knowledge. In this video, we will understand what are the pros and cons of these two methods of scaling and which one you should select for your practice. Watch this video till end to know which leverage is apt for your nature and skill sets. Since you have come till here, it is clear that you are eager to learn skills and methods to grow your practice, and you will stay till the end of the video. We will start first with the knowledge form of leverage. There are many chartered accountants who have no people management skills, but they are experts of their subject matter. Such professionals should choose the knowledge leverage to scale their practice. When you are young and less experienced, your per hour rate of remuneration is very low as your knowledge is limited and you contribute less to clients. When you start gaining more and more knowledge, you can add more value to clients' business, and now clients are ready to pay a bigger rate per hour for your services. So to get more profits, you go on increasing your knowledge so that you get more and more rate per hour for yourself. You need not have bigger team, need not have bigger offices and bigger establishment expenses. You may be knowing many lawyers who charge bomb for even 1 hour of their presence in a meeting. In movies, you may have even seen a small clock kept on the table of the lawyer counting every minute in the meeting. Here in this form of leverage, you have a small team, small office to manage. It is a benefit of this leverage. But there are many cons of this method. Here you are like a celebrity who is getting lot of price for their presence at the place, but the day they stop working, their total price comes to zero. So as you grow old, once you reduce your number of working hours, even if your price is higher per hour, the total remuneration that you will get will go on reducing. This is a method which requires you to be present and working always. Also in this method, the transferability of business is very difficult. Can a lawyer just transfer his knowledge and experience to his son? No, he cannot. Knowledge is very difficult to transfer to other person. So once you stop, your practice stops. Now let's see how people form of leverage can be used in a CA, CS or CMA practice. In this method, you go on increasing your team. You start with 2 people, then you increase the team to 20 and ultimately to 200 people. Here you will have to build a lot of people management skills. Here you just need basic level of knowledge and you need to train people for it, and since it is a basic knowledge, it can be standardized and people can be trained for that limited knowledge. As your team grows, you can serve more and more clients and your profits go on increasing. But negative point here is your practice is now dependent on other people and their mood swings and motivation. If you are not good at handling people, you won't be able to manage more number of people. The positive point here is that you are not required to be present in your practice all the time. Even if you are not working, your people will work for you and they will earn profits for you. Such kind of practice is easily transferable to next generation as it can be standardized easily. Now that you understand the two kinds of leverages, you will have to study what kind of practitioner you are. You are better at working alone or you are better at working with the team. You would like to manage your knowledge and get expert in a subject matter, or you would like to work with and manage more people. Once you decide on your leverage, you can start building your practice in that direction, and if you will give enough number of years in a particular method, your practice will grow. There are many chartered accountants who don't have definite plan in which direction they want to go, and that is why they cannot build and scale their practice. They always remain confused about how to scale. You have to first decide which direction you want to take so that you can plan things and go on building your practice in that particular direction. Comment and tell us if you face any issue or if you think there is another way of scaling a practice which we have not discussed in this video, as we would like to know more about it. Any further questions, kindly let us know. If you want to know how to get more business from your existing clients, then watch these two videos here. One tells you how to get more business from same clients and the second tells you how to get more clients from the current clients.